Which of the following statements are true about using a high-level programming language instead of a lower-level language? So statement one says programs written in a high-level language are generally easier for people to read than programs written in a low-level language. That is true. Higher-level languages abstract away many of the small details and allow you to look at the overall logic of a program, making it easier to read than lower-level languages, which are much closer to the language of the machine and have to cover a lot more minute details that might allow readers to get lost in the small details and harder to see the overall function of the program. Statement 2 says a high-level language provides programmers with more abstractions than a low-level language. So similar to what we set up here, yes, high-level languages, because they do away with the more smaller, minute details that the lower-level languages focus on, they're able to abstract away many of the more bookkeeping aspects. So 2 is true as well. So true 1 was also true. And statement 3 says program written in high-level languages are generally easier to debug than programs written in a low-level language. Yes, this is true. High-level languages are generally easier to debug because they are more focused on the overall logic of the statement. They are more human readable than lower languages that pay attention to the very minute details and allow the programmer to have control over um, the specific computer resources in very great details. So it's much easier to see logic problems and debug those in higher level languages than the lower level ones. So statement three is true as well. So all three statements were true. So D is the correct answer.